CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. That's 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Monday, April 27, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Schlumberger Limited reported diluted earnings per share from continuing operations was 78 cents versus $1.06 for the first quarter of 2008. Analyst average estimates were 73 cents per share. Schlumberger beats by 5 cents. Income from continuing operations before charges and credits was $938 million, a decrease of 25% sequentially and 28% year-on-year. Schlumberger Limited operates as an oilfield services company in the United States and internationally. 3M announced excluding special items in 2009, per share earnings were 81 cents, down 41% from last year's $1.38 per share. Analyst average estimates were 86 cents. 3M misses by 5 cents. First quarter sales of $5.1 billion, a decrease of 21.3% from the previous quarter of 2008. A recognized leader in research and development, 3M produces thousands of innovative products for dozens of diverse markets. Honeywell announced earnings were 54 cents per share versus 85 cents per share in the prior year. Analyst average estimates were 54 cents per share. Honeywell is in line with estimates. First quarter 2009 sales of $7.6 billion versus $8.9 billion in 2008. Cash flow from operations was $341 million versus $721 million in the first quarter of 2008. Honeywell International Incorporated operates as a diverse technology and manufacturing company worldwide. Qualcomm Incorporated announced diluted loss per share of 3 cents compared to diluted earnings per share of 54 cents in the prior year. Analyst average estimates were earnings of 41 cents. Qualcomm misses by 44 cents. Revenues are $2.46 billion compared with $2.61 billion in the prior year. Operating loss is $10 million, which reflects a $748 million charge for litigation settlement related to the settlement and patent agreement with Broadcom, compared to operating income of $813 million in the prior year. Qualcomm Incorporated is a leader in developing and delivering innovative digital wireless communication products and services based on CDMA and other advanced technologies. And now, the dividend report. Scholastic Corporation Board of Directors declared a quarterly cash dividend of 7.5 cents per share on the company's Class A and common stock. The dividend is payable on June 15 to shareholders of record as of the close of business on April 30, 2009. Scholastic Corporation is the world's largest publisher and distributor of children's books and a leader in the educational, technology, and children's media. Northwest Bancorp Incorporated Board of Directors declared a quarterly cash dividend of 22 cents per share, payable on May 14 to shareholders of record as of the close of business on April 30, 2009. This represents the 58th consecutive quarter in which the company has paid a cash dividend. Northwest Bancorp Incorporated operates as the holding company for Northwest Savings Bank that offers banking and consumer finance services. Tanger Factory Outlet Centers Incorporated Board of Directors approved an increase in the annual cash dividend on its common shares from $1.52 per share to $1.53 per share. Simultaneously, the Board of Directors declared a quarterly dividend of 38.25 cents per share, payable on May 15 to holders of record on April 30, 2009. Tanger has increased its dividend each year since becoming a public company in May of 1993. Tanger Factory Outlet Centers Incorporated is a fully integrated, self-administered, and self-managed publicly traded real estate investment trust. The Board of Directors of Northwest Natural Gas Company has declared a quarterly dividend of 39.5 cents a share. The dividends will be paid on May 15 to shareholders of record on April 30, 2009. Northwest Natural Gas Company, doing business as NW Natural, engages in the storage and distribution of natural gas in Oregon, Washington, and California. People's United Financial Incorporated Board of Directors voted to increase the annual common stock dividend by a penny per share, resulting in a quarterly dividend rate of 15.25 cents per share. The dividend is payable on May 15 to shareholders of record on May 1st, 2009. People's United Financial is a diversified financial services company with $20 billion in assets. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.